Can you really earn $200 from Adobe Stock? And if yes, then exactly how many designs do you need to upload? In this video, I'll break down the math using real contributor averages so you can set a realistic target for your Adobe Stock journey. Hello everyone. If you're uploading AI, illustrations, vector, PNG elements, or digital designs on Adobe Stock, you have probably wondered how many files are needed to reach your $200. The answer isn't fixed because every portfolio performs differently, but we can estimate it using average download rates. So, let's start with the basics. What we will see on Adobe Stock, earnings come from downloads. These are the number of downloads you can see under the image. Some files may never sell while others can sell 100 of times. As you can see, this image sells 15 and some of my images don't sell at all. Let me show you. Suppose these are the image have 0 downloads. So, for many contributors, the average earning per design over time is roughly 20 cents to and $1 per month. But now let's do the math. If your portfolio earns an average of 20 cents per design per month, you will need around 100 active designs to reach $200. If your portfolio earns around 50 cents per design per month, you will need approximately 400 designs. And if your portfolio performs very well and averages $1 per design per month, then just 200 designs could generate $200 monthly. So, realistically, most contributors will need somewhere between 400 and 1000 quality designs to consistently earn $200 per month. But here's something many beginners miss. It's not just about the number of uploads, quality, keywording, trends, and niche selection matter much more. A portfolio of 300 highly searchable design can outperform a portfolio with 200 random uploads. That's why focusing on seasonal content, holiday, business, illustration, and educational graphics, social media elements, and evergreen topic can significantly increase your earnings. See, like I am uploading these content which are in demand right now, so I'm uploading these type of images. So let's say you upload 10 designs every day. See, suppose these other 10 designs you upload every day. That's around 300 designs per month, and in 4 months you will have roughly 1200 designs online. If those designs are properly keyworded and target high demand niches, and reaching $200 per month becomes a realistic goal. So, how many designs do you need to make $200 on Adobe Stock? The practical answer is between 400 and 1000 quality design depending on your portfolio performance. And it's just not about the numbers. It's also about the quality of the image and if the image is searchable or not, if people want that type of image or not. If these images were not in demand, you will definitely not get $200 per month. So it depends on number also and the quality and search keywords also. So instead of chasing numbers, alone focus on creating designs that buyers are actively searching for. Just see, I have uploaded Word Environment Day, which falls on 5th of June. So I'm uploading that content in different ways, like in poster, banner style, and different type of creatives I'm uploading. So you can do that. This will definitely gets you complete your target, whatever you are thinking for. And if you're serious about Adobe Stock, stay consistent, keep uploading, and improve your keyword strategy. That's what ultimately drives earning. And suppose this is an image of Word Environment Day, and if you put Christmas, Holi, Diwali, whatever the festival is, it will not get any download. So, keywording is the most important thing which you have to make sure that keywords are the proper and the most searchable keywords only, which people might get search and you will images will definitely get downloads. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your current portfolio size in the comments. I'd love to know how many designs you have uploaded so far. See you in the next video.